Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your Asus ROG Xbox Ally X. To change the wallpaper, you have to hold your finger down on the desktop until the options menu appears. Select Personalize. Now in Personalization menu you have to go to Background and then select one of the 4 available options of what you can put on your device's background. The first one is Picture, and if you select Picture, you can select one of the recent images, which are default images by Microsoft, unless you already applied some custom wallpapers on your device. Otherwise, you can choose a photo from your File Explorer by tapping Browse Photos and selecting a photo from here. Then you can also change the fit for your desktop image by expanding this list and selecting the value for the fit that you would like the most on your background. The second option is Solid Color, which allows you to put the solid color on your background. You can choose one of the default ones, or you can also create a custom color by selecting View Colors, and then just find the color that you like the most, adjust the intensity of this color and tap down to apply it. The third option is Slideshow, and for a slideshow you're gonna have to create a folder with different photos in it. Once you create a folder, click Browse and select the folder that you like. And next you can expand this list and select the time for the frequency of your pictures changing in the background. So select one of these values. You can also shuffle the picture order in the folder by switching the toggle on, and you can let the slideshow run even if you're using battery saver on your device. And you can also choose a fit for your desktop image in this list, just like with the photos. And the last option is Windows Spotlight. Now there are no additional settings to Windows Spotlight. It's just a random image presented to you by Microsoft. It changes every once in a while. I cannot tell you exactly how often, but it's just a beautiful photo taken by some talented photographer, and you can learn more about the place in this picture if you tap on this icon. As you can see, it's Alaska, Brooks Range. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.